Hello guys, welcome to World Profit Trading Academy. I'm Sean and I'm very honored to be with you during this whole trading education series. In this section, it's important to provide you with some general explanation about the courses and be sure that you will never walk alone in this path. You will understand through the educational path and general roadmap so that any remaining uncertainties are clarified. This journey consists of 4 main courses. As a trader in this path, you need to have an understanding of a variety of styles, so you can prepare your own strategies by analyzing their strengths. No style is complete on its own. Because of that, I will try my best to teach you some practical and the most important styles based on my own experience. In short, I don't want to waste your valuable time. So guys, let's start with an overview of how the courses are structured and what tasks we will accomplish together in this journey. We will begin with the introductory course, which contains basic teachings, price action, trend lines, candlestick analysis, patterns, and Fibonacci. We will also delve into using indicators such as RSI, MACD, stochastic, moving average, Chimoku, and etc. You might wonder whether these styles or indicators are outdated, inefficient, or etc. In response, I must say that while these styles rely on past chart data and analysis, they can often guide you to doubts and confusion. Thinking of they are obsolete is entirely wrong. If you analyze charts from past, you will see that the method remains consistent over time. However, learning these indicators can be most beneficial for you. I will teach you in an intermediate course on expert and backtesting section. You can create your own robot using these indicators and conduct backtests. Believe me, it's not difficult at all, and you don't necessarily need to be proficient in programming. Throughout the course, you will learn all the necessary tasks in the simplest possible way. Moving on the second course, aside from the expert section, we focus on learning practical and useful aspects of styles such as smart money, RTM, and ICT. This includes advanced terminologies and applications, order flow, and liquidity discussions on level 1 data chart, which you will see in TradingView or MetaTrader. Now about the third course, which is based on level 2 data. We will delve into more advanced aspects of tools and a specialized platform for order flow and volume trading. This will give you a better understanding of real interaction between buyers and sellers, providing you with principles and the use of these useful tools to increase your success rate in the market. Some of the main topics in this section include volume profile, footprint, order flow trader, and other pro indicators. These indicators, unlike those mentioned in previous courses, derive from live market data and show us real-time transactions, making them highly important. There are many platforms through which you can access these data, but one of the most popular is NinjaTrader, which we will extensively cover in this course. NinjaTrader is an open-source platform with numerous indicators written for it by various companies, with the most practical ones being introduced and updated in this course. Furthermore, this platform also has a strategy builder, allowing you to automate your personal trading strategies, which we will cover in subsequent tutorials. The fourth course, which is highly engaging and practical, is the heat map course, which can revolutionize your trading process. By understanding the structure and liquidity zones, as well as the interaction of market giants and their orders, you can make exciting trades. However, beyond all of this, which you must have sufficient mastery of, the main and crucial discussion remains capital management and emotion control. In the end of second and third courses, I have fully explained the installation of specific strategies and the types of capital management that you can do. I recommend that you watch this section several times and always consider your own temperament in your trades to prevent potential losses and even achieve significant profits. This is an overview of the educational roadmap in this series that has been presented to you. If any new material or videos are added to the courses, you will be notified. So be sure to follow the Wall Profit Academy social media pages and YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can reach out through the website or Wall Profit support. Wishing success to each and every one of you. See you later. Goodbye.